Hola, I'm Elena from SERPLM. Let me tell you a story. Some years ago, we were working on a big transformation project. The technology was perfect. The best experts, the best systems, the best technology. Everything tested and approved. But just 3 months after the go live, nothing worked. People were confused, they didn't get it, and they resisted. The system became a ghost town. I realized something important. Transformations and change in general often don't fail because the technology is bad. They fail because the people who are supposed to use that technology aren't brought on board. Think about it. When people don't understand why something is changing, they resist because they don't get it, they don't like it, and sometimes they don't like you. After several years of helping organizations start people-first digital transformations, we have developed a framework that helps people prepare for change with a structured approach. It's called the House of Change. This is the framework that you are going to learn in this training. It's a step-by-step approach. It helps you bring people into the process from day one, and it gives structure to the human side of transformation. For the next days, we'll go through each part: vision, change readiness, learning, experience, connectedness, and finally transformation. By the end of the training, you will have a simple roadmap to make tech work for people and not the other way around. See you tomorrow in the next day training.